In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot to Google Calendar 2025, step by step. By the end, your HubSpot meetings will automatically show up on your Google Calendar, and calendar events can sync back to HubSpot, keeping your schedule in one place. Start by heading to the HubSpot website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. This is your home base for everything we're about to do. Next, open your settings. Look to the top right corner of HubSpot and click the gear icon. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel. Choose General. This is where HubSpot keeps core user preferences, including the options we need for calendars and availability. Now open the calendar settings. Inside General, find and select the Calendar tab. Here, you'll see options to connect a calendar so HubSpot can create and update meetings for you. Click Connect Your Calendar. This starts the secure connection flow. When prompted to pick a provider, select Google or Gmail, then click Connect Your Calendar again. HubSpot will redirect you to Google's sign-in page. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts in your browser, double-check that you select the account you actually use for work meetings to avoid syncing the wrong calendar. Choose the Google account you want to connect. Google will show a permissions screen. Click Allow to grant HubSpot access to your calendar. These permissions let HubSpot create, edit, and view events on your behalf, which is necessary for scheduling, reminders, and meeting updates. If your organization manages Google permissions, make sure you're using an account that's allowed to connect third-party apps. After authorization, you'll be returned to HubSpot, and the integration will be active. Your Google Calendar is now synced with HubSpot. Meetings you schedule in HubSpot will appear on Google Calendar, and calendar events can sync back into HubSpot, so you have full context when working with contacts. You can revisit the same settings area anytime to verify the connection or disconnect if needed. Let's quickly test the sync to make sure everything is working. Create a meeting from HubSpot. Use any test title, add a time, and save it. Open Google Calendar in your browser and look for that event. It should appear automatically. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. Brief delays are normal. Also confirm that the time zone matches your expectations. That's it. You've successfully connected HubSpot to Google Calendar, ensuring your meetings and events stay organized and up to date across both platforms.